Welcome to HN Diet and Health Portal. Keto Diet Plan. Best breakfast foods to help burn belly fat and fuel weight loss. Keto is a diet where slimmers consume a low-carb, high-fat diet. It can help fuel weight loss by putting your body into a state known as ketosis. But what are the best breakfasts to help burn belly fat? Ketogenic foods contain a high fat content and little to no carbohydrates. It is a popular diet amongst Brits as it is based on the foods you consume rather than calorie counting. Studies have found that this diet is effective for weight loss and foods can even help burn belly fat. The reduction in carbohydrates puts your body into a metabolic state known as ketosis. When the body does not have enough glucose for energy, it burns stored fats instead. The ketosis state also helps the body burn fat, and it has been known to help burn belly fat even without having to do intense workouts. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is one of the most stubborn types of fat to burn. This is because it contains a huge amount of dense fat cells. Breakfast is known to be one of the most important meals of the day because it can boost the metabolism and help fuel weight loss. There are certain ketogenic breakfast options that may be better to help burn belly fat than others. Eggs. Several studies indicate that when eggs are consumed for breakfast, they can help keep you fuller for longer, which will mean you will eat less food throughout the day. This can help put your diet into a calorie deficit. Egg yolks are an excellent source of vitamin D, a state that anyone needs to be in to lose any amount of weight, which is essential for strong bones and immunity. Egg yolks are an excellent source of vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones and immunity. However, there is also a correlation between vitamin D deficiency and excess belly fat, so including a substantial amount of belly fat in your diet may help you lose the unwanted fat around the stomach. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt contains a lot of protein, which can help increase feelings of fullness. While some types include a small amount of carbs, they can be incorporated into a keto diet. Around 150 grams of plain Greek yogurt provides just 5 grams of carbs and 11 grams of protein. It is also rich in calcium, and research has linked calcium to lower levels of abdominal fat. It can be added to your diet in many ways and can be sweetened. Berries. Some berries do still contain a carbohydrate content, but raspberries are a great keto-friendly option. Those following the diet could add a small number of raspberries to Greek yogurt for the ultimate tasty breakfast that will help satisfy sweet cravings. Around 60 grams of the fruit contains only 3 grams of carbohydrates, which makes them perfect for followers of the diet. They are also a great source of fiber, making them great metabolism-boosting food. Boosting the metabolism can help increase the breakdown of fat, including the deep internal belly fat. Avocado. Even though avocado is high in calories, it can make for the perfect breakfast food. Many people believe that the healthy fats in many foods, including avocado, can assist in weight loss. Both fiber and fat slow the release of food from your stomach. The fruit is also high in soluble fiber, which has been shown to reduce belly fat. Peanut butter. To satisfy the sweet tooth, peanut butter is the perfect option to incorporate into a breakfast meal. It contains a low amount of carbohydrates, while being high in healthy fats, and also has a moderate amount of protein and fiber. 2 tablespoons of the butter contain around 3.5 grams of carbohydrates, making it the perfect option to add to a breakfast. If you like the meal plan, let comment us below. Thank you for watching.